Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naomi. If you're stopping by for the first time, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to my videos. So today's video I will be sharing with you guys a quick Gele tutorial, or if you're like me and you really would like to learn how to do this trending Instagram Gele, you definitely want to keep on watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and share it with your friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos. All right, so depending on the type of Gele you're using to you're going to be using to tie, or the length of the Gele. This one is an ashoke, and I divided this Gele into two halves, and I already formed about 4 to 5 pleats on her head. Now I'm bringing the I think this is the right hand side, and I'm just forming pleats as I go on top of each other, and I'm making sure everything is smooth, and I'm catching it with my second hand on her head. I'm just holding all the pleats down and I'm arranging it, and now I'm forming the fan. There's no really hard trick to do this. Just keep bending these fans and make sure everything is smooth and they are well laid on top of each other, and you got it. Do not let it go. If you feel like there's a need, you see, I'm going to have my model hold it down while I continue arranging the pleats some more until I get to the end where I would want to twist. Now I also went ahead to add a little bit of pins just to secure the fan so it doesn't move, and once I'm going to twist, I'm going to have her hold the fan down and I will twist all the way to the back. You guys will see that in a minute. You see how I'm twisting the leftover, I'm twisting inwards, I'm not twisting outwards. You see that? Then I'm also going to twist the SS from the other hand, and I'm going to twist it all the way to the back of the fan, and I'm also going to have her hold it while I get some pins and also secure this down, because we're not tying any of them. We'll have to pin it, and so you have to be sure that the pin is secured and so the Gele doesn't lose after a while. So yeah, that's basically everything you need to know about this Gele. After now, I'm just going to keep arranging some more and mold the Gele into my desired shape, and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Kindly give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to share and subscribe. There's a red subscribe button below this video. Kindly click on it and you'll be subscribed to this channel. And I also have other Gele tutorials, very easy for you guys. If you're interested, you see the playlist on the screen right now. Kindly click on it to watch some more. I love y'all, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.